So here we are, man, hiding under a rock. We found a nice high spot. And we got out of here just in time because we just got done doing a quick rappel down that slope right there. Woo! Woo! We're like hiding under this rock, man. We just got done going down that slope right there. And we got out of the potholes just in time because we were in them. That was dry sand down there a second ago. Yeah. This is just, I've never been able to see this before. This is wonderful. I'm just glad I wasn't in it.